Alright guys, we're still talking about decimals, and so this one we're going to be talking about dividing by a whole number. So we're taking a decimal, dividing it by a whole number. So an example of that would be if we have $4.26, and we're going to divide it evenly for 3 people. So what that means is, let's say 3 people worked on a job and they got paid a total of $4.26. And now 3 of those people have to divide that money evenly up. So what we're going to do is we're going to take, just like you normally would, it would be $4.26 divided by 3. And all you do is you just do division like you would normally do division. The only difference is that you have a decimal point. And so this decimal has to go straight up right there. So let's solve it. 3 goes into 4. 1 time, 3. We get 1, bring down the 2, directly straight down. Now I go 3 goes into how many? 3 times what number goes into 12? Well, 3 times 4 equals 12. 0. Bring down the 6. And I say 3 times what number equals 6 or less than 6? 2. And now there's no more numbers here. So I don't bring anything down. I'm done. So what we have is that each person out of the 3 people, each one gets $1.42. Alright, let's take a look at some more. This first one. We can keep it as money if we'd like. $306.25. Or that'd be 306 and 25 hundredths divided by 49. So even though we're dealing with decimals, as long as we have a whole number out here, we just do the division the same. We don't worry about anything. We just do the division the same as we would do in whole numbers. The only thing different, like I said for the last one, is this decimal point. All you have to do is just bring it straight up. And then you do the division. So we could go 49 does not go into 3. 49 does not go into 30. So we have to figure out 49 times what equals 306. Now that's kind of a large number, right? So we want to maybe do some math on the side here. And be like 49 times a certain number is going to get us close to 300. Alright? Think about it. 39 is really close to 50. So what would 50 have to multiply by to get close to 300? 6, right? Because 5 times 6 equals 30. So let's do 6. 6 times 9, 54. 6 times 4 is 24, plus 5, 294. That's going to be closest without going over. So we'll put a 6 up here. 294. Subtract. We're going to have to borrow here. 1, 2. Bring down the 2. Now we have to do 122. So we have 49 times what is going to get us close to 120, or 122 if we can. So let's also think about this as 50. 50 plus 50 equals 100. 50 times 3 is 150. So we're probably going to have to go with 2 because 3 is going to be too much. 9 times 2, 18. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1, 98. Let's subtract. Oh, whoops, we forgot to put the 2 up here. 49 times 2 equals 98. Subtract. We got 12. We're going to take away 8. We have 11. We're going to take 9 away from 11. And then we're going to bring the 5 down. 245. Okay, so we got, let's go back to this. 49 times what number is going to give us close to 245? Remember, think of it as 50. 50 times 5 would give us 25. So let's try 5. 9 times 5? 45. 5 times 4 equals 20 plus 4? 24. Perfect. 5 up here. 0. No more there. So if 306 and 25 $306.25 is divided up equally into 49 different pieces, each person would get $6.25. Let's try this one. Same thing. Bring this straight up. And it's just division. Can't go in there. Can't go into 14 because 15 is greater than 14. So we got to go 144. 15 times what equals 144? It's a lot, huh? So let's just guess. We can say, let's go big, 9. 9 times 5, 45. 9 plus 4, 13. Subtract. We're going to get 9, 0. Alright, let's see if we can get 15 times what equals 90. Obviously 9 was 135, so that was not going to work. If we did maybe 6, 6 times 5 equals 30, 6 plus 3, 90. So, if I had $14.40 and I was going to divide that up with 15 people, each of us would get 96 cents. Okay? All this is just regular division. Okay? You take a number divided by another number. The only difference is inside your fraction is a decimal, and you just have to take that decimal and move it straight up into the answer. You don't move it to any side, you just take it, move it straight up into the answer. And that's it. Questions? Write them down and I will help you in class.